Module 4, Working with Objects. Exercise using the object repository. Start the HP UFT. Start the flight reservation application. Task 1. Recording a new order. To record a new order, select File, then New, then Test in the Unified Functional Testing menu bar. Name your tests as objects. And push button Create. Log in the following data: agent name as training, then password Mercury, then click OK. Ensure that the flight reservation form fields are clear. Click the record button on the UFT toolbar. Then the record and run setting dialog box is displayed. Enter the following flight data: date of flight, select a date after today. Then fly from Frankfurt. Then fly to London. Click the flight button. Then the flight table window is displayed. Click the OK button. Enter the following purchase data: name as Emily, tickets by 2, then class first. Click the Insert Order button in the right flight reservation window. Click the New Order button in the flight reservation window. Then to make a form blank again and reset the end condition to be the same as the initial condition. Click the Stop button to end the recording session of UFT. Save your test objects by selecting File, then Save Objects. Task 2. Opening the object repository window. To open the object repository window, open the UFT menu bar, then click Resources, then Object Repository. Then close the object repository window. Task 3. Changing the logical name of an object. To change the logical name of an object, click the UFT menu bar, then select Resources, then Object Repository, then the Object Repository window is displayed. In the Object Repository tree, right-click the button object, then rename as New Order. Then press Enter. Close the Object Repository window. Then select File, then Save Objects as and save as Object 3. Task 4. Using the highlight feature. To use the highlight feature, ensure that the objects_3 test and the flight reservation windows are open. From the UFT menu bar, select Resources, then Object Repository, then the Object Repository window is displayed. In the Object Repository tree, select the New Order object. Click the Highlight in Application button. Task 5. Using the Locate in Repository feature. To use the Locate in Repository feature, on the Object Repository toolbar, click the Locate in Repository button. Then observe how the UFT window hides and the flight reservation application is activated. In the flight reservation window, click first Radio button. The object selection window is displayed, then click the OK button. Close the object repository. Task 6. Using the Object Spy feature.
Use the Object Spy feature, ensure that the flight reservation is...
To use the Object Spy feature, ensure that the flight reservation window is open. From the UFT menu bar, select Resources, Object Repository, then the Object Repository window is displayed. On the Object Repository toolbar, click the Object Spy button. Then the Object Spy window is displayed. Click the pointing hand button in the Object Spy window in the toolbar. The mouse cursor changes to a pointing hand. In the flight reservation window, click the total. Edit field with the hand pointer. Click the Add Object to Repository button in the toolbar. This adds the total edit field to the object repository. Then close the Object Spy window. Then click the Highlight in Application button. Then close the Object Spy window. Task 7. Adding a new object. On the Object Repository toolbar, click the Define New Test Object button. From the Environment list, select Standard Windows. From the Class list, select Win button. In the Name field, type Cancel. In the Test Object Details section, click the Value column for the text property and type Cancel. Click the Add button in the Define New Test Object window to add the new test object to the local object repository. Click the Close button in the Define New Test Object window to close the Define New Test Object window. The new object is added under the Flight Stable object. In the Object Repository window, select the Cancel button and click the Highlight in the Application button. Click OK in the Unified Functional Testing message box to remove the pop-up. Click Object, then Update from Application. The cursor changes to a pointing hand, then click the Cancel button on the flight table. Click the OK button. Close the Object Repository window. Save the test as working with the object _7. Click the Cancel button in the flight table window. In the flight reservation dialog, click the New Order button.
The object
Run the tests to ensure that the objects are working. Then close the UFT.